That's how I was able to grow my business from $2,500 to $130,000 in less than 2 years using my phone and my laptop. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video where I discuss, how to make money in 2023. So in 2021, I believe I started a business that grew from $2,500 as my startup capital to over $130,000 in less than 2 years. What business am I talking about? I'm talking about price arbitrage. Okay, so I started my price arbitrage business when COVID hit and there was lockdown. So you would imagine that during lockdown people are not buying stuff, but no, it was the opposite. That's the opposite of what I experienced when I first started my business. And if that's something you're interested in, I want you to stick around because I plan to give you a step-by-step guide on how to execute a price arbitrage business. Okay guys, welcome back again. If you're new to me, my name is Sylvie. So today I want to give you the step-by-step guide on how to start a price arbitrage business with your telephone. I grew from $2,500 to over $130,000. I don't know what your results will be, but I'm just going to give you the step-by-step guide exactly what I did. So the first thing that you want to do is to create a Facebook page. So to create a Facebook page, all you need to do is to go to your personal Facebook. If you don't have a personal Facebook, you have to create it, because the only way to create a Facebook page is by having your personal Facebook Facebook profile. So through your Facebook profile, you will actually go follow the steps that I'm going to share with you here and create your Facebook page. Now that your page has been created, the next thing you want to do is brand your page. So what are you going to be selling? Yeah, price arbitrage is simply buying low and selling high, okay? So what are you going to be buying low and selling high? That's what you have to decide. And based on that, then you're going to name your Facebook page and you're going to brand it. When I talk about branding, I'm talking about the banner, I'm talking about the image that is actually on the side of your Facebook page. And what are you going to write there? When people come across your page, what are they going to be looking at? What impression do you want to give the people who come across your Facebook page? The good thing about having a Facebook page is that you can boost the page. Whenever you post something, you can boost the page, unlike your personal page. Some people, I see them selling stuff on their personal pages, but that's not a smart business move. Because what I did was to create a page, and I found that to be very, very smart. So when you've branded your page, which is step number 2, the third thing that you want to do, because you now know what you want to sell, is to create your customer avatar. Who are your customers? Who are the people that you want to be targeting? Who are the people that you want to be selling to? And you want to find out what are the things that they're buying the most. So personally, I was into beauty and fashion. So I was selling things like lipsticks, things like collagen, things like clothes, things like handbags, things like jewelry, everything beauty and fashion. That's what I was doing. So I created my avatar. I knew that young women like beauty and fashionable things. Yes, they do. And so what I was doing was that I was finding out the things that were trendy. So that's the next thing you want to do, right? Step number 4 is find out the things that are trendy and put those things on your page, on the business page that you have created. Get pictures of these things and put them on your page. How did I find pictures? I literally went to sites that had the pictures of the items that I wanted to sell. Sometimes when you put these pictures of these items, Facebook is going to send you a warning and tell you that it is not allowed. You can just drop that particular item. But generally, most of the things that I uploaded on my site were allowed. And so the next thing that you want to do is put the pictures up and then boost the post using Facebook targeted ads. So you want to make sure that if you're trying to reach out to university girls, you want to put their age bracket, you want to put that the university students, you want to put the people, their income level, you want to put their gender. You know, Facebook is really good when it comes to targeted ads because they have all the data. They even tell you people who drive this type of car, people who live in this kind of area, people who are in this type of university. They have everything. All you need to do is make sure that you target the right people, especially for a start. So when you've targeted them, and people start to notice your page and start to follow your page and start to like your page, and some people might even message you directly to ask you what about this item or that item, then the next thing you need to do is join other groups. Join groups that sell similar things. So that's what I did. I joined groups that sold similar things to the things that I am selling. And these groups are usually public groups. So a group means that people from all over the place who are in this group. And what I used to do when someone posts an item, for example, a Gucci bag, I would come and post the link to my page under that person's post. And people got to discover my page even more. And the more people came to my page, the more they placed their orders via my page. So once someone places an order via my page, the next thing, or how to really make the most money out of price arbitrage, is that I went to sites like eBay, sites like Vestiaire, and I tried as much as possible to always search for discount codes. So when you go through all these sites and search for discount codes or items that people have bought and maybe they were not able to return it during the return window and they're now selling it at the discount price, you buy those items at those prices and then you resell to the person who has asked you for the item. So that's how I managed my price arbitrage business. And for people in Africa, generally, the way you can do price arbitrage is to go to a big market. Like, for example, in Cameroon, we have the Central Market, commonly known as Marché Central. If you go over there, you just go and get the pictures from the people in the stores. Usually, most of these things are from Turkey. If you go over to the store and tell them that, listen, I want to sell your items for you, you take the pictures of them or take pictures from their store, and all what you need to do is to put these pictures on your status, put these pictures on your Facebook page, boost the page. When people place the order, you go and you buy the item from this person at a particular price, let's say $10, and you come back and sell it to the person who has placed the order for $12 or $13. That amount of money that you've added to it is called price arbitrage. You buy low and you sell high. I hope this video was helpful. That's how I was able to grow my business from $2,500 to $130,000 in less than 2 years using my phone and my laptop. Okay guys, until next time, do take care. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and if you have any other questions, drop it in the comment section. I want to hear it. Okay, take care people. Bye bye.